Okay, very good morning to you all, and welcome to our our fourth session. The file is named as third sessions because we have already uh, an introduction session and the first, second, and this is the third session. But it is our fourth meeting. So after our discussion last time, the students requested that we will have two classes. The first class will be in English and the second class is going to be in Arabic. So inshallah it's going to be okay, no problem. This is our first session. Our first class is going to be in English. We will explain everything in English. Then once we do the second class, we will explain in Arabic, inshallah. And I will also record Arabic sessions for the previous sessions, and I will upload them to YouTube later on, inshallah. So for now, we will start our third session. We'll start our session with revision, and I will talk about what we have learned and what we are going to learn in this subject. Actually, integrated management, as we already said, it's not learning new information. Most of the information that's going to be explained in this uh, subject or this material, you already took them in several courses previously, just like PMP or PM or any other course that you have learned about project management with these materials or with these courses. But actually, in this course, we are going to learn about a new skill, a new added value, a new platform, which is called Open Project. Open Project platform, actually, it is a platform to provide you, to assist you with project management tools. So we will learn how to use this tool efficiently, how to implement our knowledge, our information that we already learned about project management, how are we going to be implementing it in this prototype platform. Once you learn about this platform, you will be familiar with most of other platforms because the system is similar. So once you learn how the system is built and how is these services and these tools are presented and provided to you, and you can manage them and you can use them successfully, you will be able to learn about, you will have the experience to deal with other platforms also. So starting with our sessions, we learned about what is special about this open project platform. What is special about it? Because it has two versions. One generic version that have the tools to manage any kind of project, and you have a special edition uh, from this platform, which is concentrating and specialized in BEAM project management. So we learned and we saw the videos about how we can integrate our design from Revit or from any other BEAM software. We can integrate our designs and we can manage our projects using the 3D visual and all its assistant and all its um, accessories that we already added up to all together in one file. So this is our platform. Actually, I learned also another good thing, that this platform has an open access version called community version, but actually it needs some server to be installed on. So it's not an ordinary software that you can just download and set up on your desktop or on your laptop. Actually, it needs some certain server software, and it needs certain skills to be able to download it and set it up on your computer. So this one is just for, we can say, for the enterprises and for the big companies. They can do that. They have IT department. They can, I think, try to download and set up this uh, version of platform. It's going to be just like a server on the in their main server, and then everybody can access it and use it locally, not on web. So this one gives the enterprises uh, much more freedom to use this platform and make use of it. But also, I am not very sure that it is only about the generic version of the platform, not the Beam platform. So the Beam platform, I couldn't make sure that we can download it for free. But anyhow, you can always do a new account. And once you do a new account in this platform, they will give you 14 days for free. You can do all, and you can inspect all the features, and you can implement any project you need to do within these 14 days. So actually, I need you to learn how to deal with it, how to process your work with it. I'm not interested now for you to download and make it permanent for yourself. Actually, you can subscribe and compare to other platform. This one is actually affordable for the basic registration of the basic subscription. I think it's about 6 USD per month. So it's okay, no problem. We can do our projects within 14 days to learn about this uh, platform. So the main scheme that we are going to do and we are going to learn within this platform is starting by project portfolio that we already learned about from the first session. The second sessions we learn about the project planning, and this session is going to be about the task management, how to create new tasks, how to manage the tasks, how to report the tasks, how to do a lot of things. And we will start, okay, this one, how to manage the files, how to filter and group the tasks, how to manage notifications, send emails, and also finally how to export your work plans and how to create reports that's highly professional to do in this platform. So now we are going to proceed and see the first video. This video is going to present us how we can start dealing with the work packages, which are the tasks and all the work packages that we can create in this platform. Let's see and discuss this video.
A work package in Open Project can basically be everything you need to keep track of within your projects. For example, a task, a feature, a bug, a risk, a milestone, a project phase, and much more. These different kinds of work packages are called work package types. To create a new work package in your project, open it with the Project drop-down menu and navigate to the module Work Packages in the Project menu. Click the green Add Work Package button to create a new work package. In the drop-down menu, choose which type of work package you want to create, for example, a task. A split screen view is opened with the new work package form on the right and the list of already existing work packages on the left. If there are not yet any work packages in the project, you will see a message that there are no work packages to be displayed in the list. In the form on the right, you can enter all relevant information for this work package, such as the subject and a description, set an assignee, a due date, or any other field. You can add a screenshot directly to the description with copy and paste, or upload attachments to the work package with drag and drop.
click the blue Save button to create the work package. The work package will then be displayed in the list view. Also, you can create new work packages directly in the list view by clicking on the Create New Work Package link below the list. Enter the required information and push Enter to save your changes. You can change the order in the list with drag and drop. To open and edit an existing work package, select the work package in the list which you want to edit and click on the Open Details View icon in the work package list or on top of the list to open the split screen view. By clicking through the list on the left-hand side, you will see the details of each work package on the right in the split screen. You can double-click in the work package list to open the details view of a work package. Click in any of the fields to update a work package. For example, the description. Click the check mark at the bottom of the input field to save changes. To update the status, click on the highlighted displayed status on top of the form and select the new status from the drop-down. The arrow on top brings you back to the list view. Also, you can make changes directly in the list view by clicking in a field, make your changes, and push Enter. To keep informed about all changes to a work package, open the Activity tab in the Details view. Here, you will see all changes and comments which have been made to this work package. You can add a comment at the end of the activity list and notify members with @notifications via email. Add yourself or other members as a watcher to a work package to keep informed about updates via email. On the Relations tab, you can enter work package relations, such as children, or the time relations proceeds and follows. Remove the relation by pressing the X. To set a parent work package, click on the field above the title of the work package and choose the parent by typing the subject or ID and select it from the list. You will find further advanced settings in the context menu on the right of the work package list, such as change project, copy, or delete a work package. If you want to edit several work packages at once, select the work packages which you want to edit in the list view by keeping the Control button pressed. Click the right mouse button and select the bulk options you need. Here, you can also copy several work packages at once, including their hierarchies. For example, to use them as work package templates. To filter work packages and see exactly what you need, open the filter options on top of the work package list. Filter by text if you start typing, or choose any filter criteria from the drop-down list, such as Assignee, to see all work packages assigned to me. Save your filter by selecting Save As in the Kebab menu on top. Enter a name, adapt the visibility settings, and press Save. The new filter will then be displayed in the project menu. To change the list view, click the Configure View icon on the right of the list. You can, for example, add additional columns to the list or group the list by certain criteria. Don't forget to save your changes to be displayed in your work package view.
Okay, that's great. We'll go through one section by one section. So starting by creating what are the types of the work packages that we can create. You can start by the normal task or certain features. If you are working with if you are working with special projects, IT projects, you can identify bugs, risks, milestones. For us, we can identify clashes if we are going to study the clashes between specializations in the projects. So this one is customizable, so you can add whatever type of work package. You can identify the work package that you want to add. So you have some common and prefabricated type of work packages, but you can customize the one of your own. So we saw how we can start creating the packages from going to the project, then we go to working packages, and then we start by create, and we choose one of the types that we know that we want to create. For start, we start with the task. So with the task, you identify the name, the ID, the description, then the people aligned and assigned to this work package task. So starting by assignee, who is going to do the task and who is accountable to see and overwatch and supervise the assignee and approve his work, and then going to time management and put estimation time. And once they start working, they will count how many hours working on the tasks and comparing how many hours is remaining. And finally, you can add details about the date, starting date and finishing date, deadline, and the progress. You can update the progress of the tasks, and you can identify a lot of other details, just like category, the version of this stage or the task, the priority, which is normal or medium or high priority. Then you can add also costs details, how much is going to cost, and you can relate a lot of other details also to this task. Once you start to create, then your task that you already created is going to be displayed in this section. In this case, there is no working package display because this is the first task to be displayed, to be created. So once they do and they put the cost, also then you can add files related to these tasks. So you can add the file here and everybody can check the file and can download it and can use it. This one is a very efficient way to manage the files. So every task, it will have its own files, all files related to it with the dates and the versions of the files, or all are attached to these tasks. So after that, you can also, after you create this one, it's going to be displayed on the left-sided list. And this one you can also add a photo. If you want to add in description, you can add photo here also to make it also easy for you. And then you can add also tasks in this list, not using the create button. You can directly here create a new tasks and add description here. So and you can also rearrange. Okay, you can rearrange the places of the tasks and link them together. Then if you want to adjust, you can adjust 4 main categories or 4 main tabs here over the tasks. And the main one which you already created within overview, you can also adjust all the information you already done. Then you can also go to activities and you can see and you can track all the changes that have been done to this subject. So once you click on activities, you can see who created this task, who have done changes and customization to this task, who did the work, who uploaded files, who made comments, and here you can also add comments in any time you want to see to add your comments and notes to the activity, to the tasks. Then the second one is going to be the relations. The third one is going to be the relation. The first one is the overview, then activity, then the relations. The relations is about the relation between these tasks and the other tasks, which have children, which are subtasks or parent tasks. So you can here, let's go to the relations here. You can add children, which are the subtasks that are related to this task, and also you can add parent tasks if you have any parent task that is going to be attached to this task. Here you can manage the relationship between this task and other tasks. And finally, the watchers, you can add watchers that are going to just see how is going this work proceeding and have information about the work done to this task. So the watcher is different from the accountable and the assignee. Assignee who is going to do the job, the task. The accountable is responsible for approving and supervising the assignee, and the watcher is going to be just to be informed about what is happening in this task, just to have information about it, to get informed about this task. So these are the four main tabs that's going to be adjusted to the task. Then once we finish, you can edit here multiple tasks all together and or single task in one time. And finally, you can add the filters. You can customize these tabs or these columns, adding the ones you want and customizing it according to your needs. So here you can also filter the task which is related to you or to somebody by it himself. So you can find all the details about the task for one person in one place, just like a full report about this task. So here he chooses to have to change these details to have his work as a one let's see view. So one click he can see all the work assigned to him, and he changed also the type, the ID, the subject, the status, which is priority, status which is on progress, started, not yet. So, and the assignee who is going to be himself, and the priority. So he can also add other columns, just like the watchers, if there is any, and you can add also any information that you already entered in overview tab, or he can add also the relationships between this information, these tasks and other tasks, just like parents or subtasks and children. So he can he add also the accountable here. So the assignee is himself, and the accountable is going to be the supervisor. So he changed the location of so the accountable is going to be here. And finally, he saved the work. So we can see that here from this panel, you can configure the view, and you can assign all these data and change and add new columns as we talked previously. From filter, you can do this one, and you can choose whatever exact filter that you want, and you can save it, and then you can also export it if you want. So these are the create and the main type of tasks that we can do. Okay, this very important that we can share also these tasks. We can share the tasks whether whether to another person that he is already a member of Open Project platform, or else even if he is not an Open Project platform, user, we can also share to it by email, and he can open it and he can view as watcher. He can view the task. Okay, he cannot edit the task. He can only see what is going on. So, and a list of the share that you already done is going to be presented to you. See, he is not a project member, but you already send him and you can here edit the type of his authority. He can view, he can edit, he can copy or else. So this list is going to show you who are the persons you already shared with, and they will identify whether he is a project member or he is not a project member, and it will give you the privilege to assign what is the authority this member can do. Only view, or he can also edit. So after that, we'll have this another video. Let's see this video and then we will discuss about it.
What's new with the Open Project and Nextcloud integration? Starting with Open Project 12.5, it is possible to upload new files and link them directly from a work package in Open Project in your Nextcloud file storage. The integration combines the advantages of both open source applications, supporting teams to collaborate seamlessly and securely on projects and related files without compromising on data sovereignty. You can now link an existing file or folder in Nextcloud to Open Project directly from within the work package. For this, you simply need to create the link. To do so, start by clicking on Link Existing File on the Files tab underneath the name of your connected Nextcloud file storage. A file picker will appear, displaying all the files and folders on Nextcloud that you have permission to see. To link a certain file or folder to this work package, click on the checkbox to the left of each item. Once you have selected the files or folders you wish to link to the work package, click on the Link Files button. The number on the button will represent the number of files and folders selected. If the file you want to link has not yet been uploaded to Nextcloud, click on the Upload Files link. You will then be prompted to select a file, or multiple files, on your computer that you want to upload to Nextcloud. Alternatively, you can simply drag a file or folder to this area and drop it in the drop zone that appears. Once you have selected or dropped the files you want to upload, you need to select a folder where you want the files to be stored in Nextcloud via the file picker. To upload the selected files and create a link to your work package, click on the Choose Location button. Both use cases, linking existing files and uploading new ones, are also possible during the creation of a new work package. The Files tab shows your Nextcloud files that are linked to the current work package. Hovering on any linked file with your mouse will give you more options to open or download the file, show the containing folder in Nextcloud, or remove the link. Collaboration made easy with open source and open mind.
Okay, this is a really interesting feature on this platform. Actually, Nextcloud is one of the most important file management platform used in Europe. So most of the companies, they have a cloud basis using this Nextcloud. It's well trusted. So to make it easy for the companies to share their folders, to share their files that already stored on this platform, Open Project has made collaboration between them and Nextcloud. So instead of uploading your file on Open Project, you can use your already existing Nextcloud files by just linking it together. So there's no need to upload your files into Open Project like previously. You can just link them together, and you also can add your files into Nextcloud using Open Project as we saw. So it's that easy. Instead of opening adding your file here to Open Project, they have the Nextcloud section is added. So once you have your Nextcloud identified, you will have this files tag is going to be there. So also you can upload files already on Open Project. You can see this about us, this project overview. This one already put on Open Project. But if you also need to link existing files from your company, from your account on Nextcloud, here directly you can drop if you want to add to Nextcloud, not to Open Project, or you can link existing files. So once you click link existing files, it's going to take you to your account on Nextcloud, and then you can choose the files you want to link here. So you can use directly, no need to upload to Open Project. This is the issue. So this can integrate between these two platforms. So here he chooses two files and then click on link the files. So the files is going to be presented here. See here, 9 months ago. These two files were put on my Nextcloud from 9 months ago. So you attach them as link here. So once you want to see these files, you click on them, and this link is going to take you to your account on Nextcloud, and you can see the files there from this window from Open Project. So this collaboration make it very easy and make them, and even if the files is not uploaded to Nextcloud yet, you can upload files to Nextcloud using the platform of Open Project. So you can use, select the file you need to upload, and then click upload, and the files is going to be uploaded. Once you want to upload the files, the Nextcloud is going to ask you to choose where is the location you want to store these files. So you choose the folder location that you want to store your files on, and then you click choose location, and after that is going to be linked at the previous. So you will have other detailed report text file is going to be linked just like the other two you already linked. So this collaboration between the two platforms will give you the opportunity to use your existing data, to use your existing files that you have already stored on Nextcloud, and no need to maybe if this project have two companies, one company have already put their files on Nextcloud, and the other company, the running project company, is using Open Project. This allowed them to directly link the files and make use of these files all together, and this one will save time, effort, and also money from transferring your structure from one platform, because if you have the structure of saving the files on Nextcloud, this one will give you advantage to share the files and manage the files successfully on both platforms. So this one way or developed way to manage the files in one platform and integrate them with the Open Project platform. So finally, we can see the ability to highlight this, the beauty about this this method of presenting, that you can highlight highlight the status, the priority, and the finish date, the deadlines with certain colors to catch your eye directly, and link them and adjust and customize this list or this table, and you can always track the tasks and see which is left behind, which is going on time, and which is going to be needed to concentrate onto and not to fall back, you know. And this was very nice way to track your work, to track the tasks. So once you prepare this view, you can just save the view, and it's going to be updated daily. So you can see every day what are the progress of each task. So here also we can highlight these file according to the color. So the priority which is high is going to be highlighted in yellow, and the normal is green, the low is light green or nearly white. So we can order and sort them according to the priority or according to the status. So eye-catching, you can easily catch which is the most important task to follow up with, and be productive and work on it on time, not to be falling back, and not to be delayed on time. Okay, this file actually you can export the tasks and the work packages you created. You can export them and use them on other different platforms, just like also you can use them other platform, and you can use them on other softwares, just like MS Project or Excel, or you can use them in Word and make PDF files to do reports or any other media you want to create. So once you finish your work packages, identifying them and put all the details, in any time you can export this one as a PDF table, a PDF report with images, PDF report, Excel file with description, Excel file with relationship. This one you can use also for MS Project, show you the time and the relationship between the tasks, and CSV, which is also you can open by Excel file, Microsoft Excel, or other database software, or just you can share it as a just a web page, just like a web page. So you have plenty of exporting options. So this one very preferable when to use the PDF or Excel files. So these ones will really be helpful if you want to do the report for your supervisors and keep them informed about the information about the progress of the project. So in any time you can create and you can produce the reports that you need to carry on with your project. So this is one example how the project detail is going to be presented in an Excel file or Excel table. So this one is going to be just like this. And after that, you can see also the report that can be generated using all the details about the work packages that you already done, and you will see all the tables prepared for you. So actually, this is the whole idea about how to manage the tasks, creating the task lists and customize the assignee, accountable, the watchers, and how to manage the notifications about your work, and how to share the work packages, and to how to manage the files and integrate other platforms just like Nextcloud. And we saw how we can easily even upload files through Open Project platform to Nextcloud platform, and then choose the right folder to store our files, and then link them all together to our own project tasks. So by filtering and grouping the tasks, we can customize and create a very handy and a very informative tables and reports, especially for the upper management or the top management. So by using this one, we can and directly create the PDF file or Excel file, and you can use it in your presentation or create your own PDF report. And we saw how we can send and share the work packages through emails, even for the non-project members. So even if there is somebody who is not a member of our project, we can keep also sending this project and this certain work packages to the member that we need to inform him about it, and is going to be listed as watcher, and is going to be informed by email and notified by email every now and then once any changes happening to the work packages sent to them. So and we also find out how we can highlight the priority, and that we can also arrange and sort the tasks according to the priority and according to the status of the work. It's very efficient for you to track the critical tasks that is delayed or have some issues to be handled before we reach the deadline. And finally, we saw how we can export our work plan directly into different type of media and different type of platforms, and also different type of files, Excel to PDF to other kind of vouchers. I wish these sessions explain to you how you can really use the Open Project to create and manage the files and the tasks, the work packages, and the files attached to it. And inshallah, we will see each other next in the next session. And this session is going to be in Arabic, inshallah, to explain this one in Arabic and make it easier for you. And thank you for your attendee. And inshallah, we will see each other after half an hour. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.